You won't do it. I would. I would. Don't do it. Come on. Come on. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Everything is.
Not my hand, no! Ah!
Doom!
Everywhere! Lubricants!
Yeah. Ew, gross.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, ew, ew,
Yeah,
ew.
lubricants.
So, what happened yesterday? Where are we at here?
Nothing happened yesterday. Can you see? The bumper came off and that was it.
Did you guys actually cut it or no?
We're just done. No.
Huh?
No.
No. You just had to pull real hard?
Just pull really hard.
Yeah. Annoying.
And it hurt. Scratches.
Yeah. Scratches and stuff?
Dude. What? It's a chocolate fountain.
Lick it. You won't do it. You won't lick it. Ah!
Oh! That was disgusting. I didn't have to hit him. Hold on, I gotta chase it real quick. Water.
Well, that's some mighty fine Pepsi you got there.
Fermented water.
Oh, hey. What's up, bro?
You know, we're about to start on a project here.
Yeah, pulling engines.
A V01. So it's a Jaguar F8.
Oh. Oh, that.
F for fast. 8.
F for fast.
Yeah, 8's just, you know, it's just a cylinder amount. There's no F on this car. That's an F8. Audi F8. Are you blind or something? Or how much water have you had, man?
How much oil have you had, bro? How much oil you had to drink today?
I've had about 2 gallons of water, slime cactus, a little bit of cinnamon, and about a lick of oil.
What?
Octopus.
What did you say?
Octopus. She had octopus tentacles, and they were like sticking to her throat as she was swallowing it. It was
That's not even true though.
Is that is that what they call it these days now?
Not true.
Not true.
As in, wasn't sticking, or wasn't going down, or
It went down.
wasn't raw.
Guys,
It was definitely raw.
It was raw, but it wasn't sticking.
Boiled for safety.
If it's boiled, then it's not safe. It's not
Yeah, it is.
raw.
It is raw.
actually,
Boiled, if it's
if
boiled,
it's boiled, it's not raw.
I know. It was definitely raw. That's not wrong. Then I had tuna and salmon.
Why are you eating so much weird stuff?
Cause I like it. Cause they all ate at Hooters again.
Yeah, dollar beers.
But
What?
but
Well, this engine is coming out so fast.
I say you just
about to
start
fall
pulling
out on its own.
Huh?
It's about to fall out on its own.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Here at AG we do things.
Drain the transmission tube.
So that's next.
Are you making like a cocktail?
Yes.
Cocktail of
It all
doom.
goes to the same place. I don't have one of those. Art's got one of those.
What we're doing right now, we're
this transpan first.
preparing to drop this engine, which is what Brandon was saying here just now, and you zoomed in on me for a little bit too long.
I am really zoomed in on your face. It's so dramatic
This is
though.
the time where you actually cut
Dun,
the scene
dun,
and go to the next one.
Dun.
Creepy, Merrick. What are you doing?
No, bro. I do it on you too, kinda.
The door.
What's this? Transmission fluid?
Transmission fluid. Chaining fluid.
Oh. Oh, whoa. It's like moving, dude.
I need a trash can, yo. Switching 2 streams here.
2 streams.
Snake.
More flow.
Hi, I wonder what this would taste like.
You won't do it. I would don't do it. Come on, don't do it. Don't do it. Do it. Oh, he did it.
Disgusting. That was a little warm.
A little warm?
This job.
So what Wade's doing right
I don't
now,
like this job.
he's actually chemical testing all the fluids of the car.
Right, make sure they're right. Yeah.
You want my job?
All the pH levels are good.
Oh yeah, pH levels are fucking perfect right now.
He's got a very sensitive tongue.
Oh, yeah, right. Is this taught in Volkswagen school or is this like advanced?
It isn't. It's something that no one else knows.
Oh, okay. It's like a secret.
Yes.
So maybe I should cut this then.
Secret tool right now?
Yes.
Stop.
Hold it.
Stop right there. Ow! Fuck!
Alright. Slow. Stop.
Slow. Checking all the fun out of it.
These two front ones ain't gonna be high enough.
We might have to lift it back up and take the center ones down a little bit.
He wants to do a redneck engine drop.
Drop this bitch on the ground or pull it in through a tree. That's how we do it. Yeah.
What?
Hook a chain up to the tree.
Rip it out.
Yeah.
The engine's gotta be running for that.
No.
You gotta back up really fast.
Yeah, we can't do that. That's right. Fuck it. Fucking send it. Hook the battery back up and fucking send it.
Oh, problem is it's a
Little bit. Little bit. Oh shit. Alright. Lower. Little bit.
It's about the sound.
Go down a little bit more. Just take it back.
Is it time?
Yeah, I want to ask you a
Sound.
question.
Woo!
Where's it gonna point to? Whoever points to, nobody.
The back.
Points to
Points
nobody.
to the back.
Not once in my life have I
I
said
heard
that.
once.
What do you say, Caitlin? I can't hear you.
They said once in a while.
It's too much
I can do that.
Junk coming.
Need like a 22.
22.
21. 21.
What, you want me to get it, Sam?
Alright, look, you put a little spooge on your hands.
Doom.
What's up?
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm working?
Hurry up!
It's not done yet.
People want to see this motor up, boys. Woo! Hold on.
That's kind of how I pitch, like you. What the Doom storm?
Holy crap!
So we got a storm brew.
so we take the motor out and it starts doing.
Yeah, that's the way Audi works.
This dude.
Ah, right.
Hey, I'm getting wet.
Ah,
Here's thunder.
Come on.
I hear thunder.
Didn't hear it?
what?
You didn't hear it?
Yeah.
It was like firecrackers.
We'll do it again.
I don't think so, but the hose just broke right there and right here.
Aw, doom. What'd you do, bro?
I didn't do it. Wade did it.
Aw.
Wade always does it. Wade does everything.
I guess we need a new hose.
You're always good when we replace daily.
Huh?
Hose.
Hose?
Replace daily.
Replace daily?
Replace daily.
Shit. Damn it, Joey.
What kind of position you getting in over there?
Hey yo.
I must be in the wrong chair.
And on that note,
Dave left, guys.
I'm in Caitlin's chair.
Dave
right now,
left?
My bad.
Dave's gone.
What?
Y'all ready to roll out?
I'm going.
well, until tomorrow, I guess.
Till tomorrow. This motherfucker
Trash.
bought us goddamn
Trash.
shots at lunch today.
Garbage.
Hey!
I did not.
Make you any less garbage?
Fireball shots.
I heard it was water, so don't lie.
No, fireball shots.